Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kat and I'm going to teach you how to use a hair turban and why you should switch to microfiber hair turbans. So being a microfiber towel, this will create less friction and less fizz as your hair dries. Your hair will dry much quicker. It will lock in moisture so your hair will be a lot shinier. This has been a day later and my hair still looks kind of shiny. This doesn't damage your hair and it's really easy to use, and once you start using it, it's like you can't go back to like normal towels. So before, of course, I used to wear like smaller towels and it was wrapping around my head, but it's so hard to use and it keeps falling off and my hair doesn't just come out as great. But this one should be much more gentler on your hair. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So I'm going to show you how to use it now. Take the big part of the towel. There's a button here and a little loop at this end. Looks like this. So you take the big part, kind of like flip your hair over. So you flip the hair over and kind of like twist your hair a little bit so it can fit into this part of the towel here. So you kind of like pinch right here over your forehead and you just twist. Do like that. And you should put the loop over the button in the back, so like this. And it should be like that. And it looks super cute. And your hair stays secure. I didn't do a good job. There's loose hair everywhere, but it feels so secure now. You can go around doing your chores and not worry about your hair towel falling off. So hope this video helped you, and let me know if you decide to switch to hair turban. So see you guys next time. Go out and live your best life. Bye.